Here's your guide to silver soldering. There's a solder. Warm it up. And dip it in the flux. So you've got some on the end. This joint here, just a test joint just to show you. Heat it up for a few seconds. And just touch it onto it. That's all. You just want this flux to go onto that joint. Keep heating it up and you start to see it going red. Once you start to see it go red, put the solder back in and you'll just see it just melt there. You see that? And there you go. That's what I've done on all the joints on my egg turner. Zoom into that. There you go, that's how strong the joint is. There you go, your guide to silver soldering.